Mention your particulars carefully as the same will be printed on the certificate. After successful registration, you will get a username and password. As many of you have already registered for the National Engineering Olympiad, so you all must have received the username and password on your registered email ID. And I would request that do not share this username and password with anybody, because this is for you only. The test will be started and completed as per schedule. So friends, just after my session, we will give you a live demo. We will give you a live demo that how you will take the examination. So we will give you a demo that once you will take the exam, how will you take the exam? So this test will be started completed at the as per schedule. तो जैसा schedule हमने ऊपर आपको बताया है that the exam will be conducted on Sundays, and at 11:30 a.m. So friends, you can take the exam on Sundays 11:30 a.m. and the test will be started exactly at the given schedule and will be completed exactly at the given schedule. Total duration of the test is 120 minutes. So you have enough time. 10 minutes will be given to read the instructions and 110 minutes will be given to you for taking the test. I would request you to read all the instructions carefully. There will be 100 questions in the test. All questions will be objective type. There will not be any negative marking, and each question will carry equal marks. So each question will carry 1 mark. There will not be any negative marking. All questions will carry equal marks. There will be 100 questions. You will be given 120 minutes, 10 minutes for reading the instructions, and 110 minutes for taking the test. During the test, you can move to any previous or next question by clicking on the previous or next tab. So say for example, you are at question number 20, and if you want to go to the question number 15, you can go back. And if you want to go to question number 25, you can go to next. You can review all the attempted questions by clicking on review and submit tab once. Once you are in test review section, you can move to any questions by just clicking on that question. We will give you the demo. So once you will see the demo, you will be able to see that how easy the test is. And nowadays you are already equipped with taking online tests, online trainings, online classes. So now you are ready enough. You are smart enough to take these kind of examination. Nowadays it is not a new thing for you because you all are professionals, engineers, and you must be taking online examination many times. So you can review all the attempted questions by clicking on this review and submit test. Once you are in test review section, you can move to any questions by just clicking on that question directly. You can finally submit the test by clicking on the final submit tab. If you don't and don't close the test window during the test. So friend, this is very important that once you are taking the test, don't close your test window during the test, because it will, you will lose time. You can log in again, but you will lose some time. So you can put username and login again, and you will again able to start the test, but you will lose some time. In case of any dispute, the decision of ASSOCHAM will be final, friends. And yes, most important things. The pass, this is the pass criteria. So out of 100, if you achieve 50 marks, you will be pass and you will be given the participation certificate. If you achieve more than 90 marks, it will be exemplary performance, and we will put this. We will put this that you have got exemplary performance. 70 to 89, excellent performance. 50 to 69, good performance. And less than 49, it will fail. So we will mention your score as well as your performance on your certificate. And this certificate will be given by a national oldest apex chamber of India, which is ASSOCHAM. And registration fees, as I told you, is just rupees 450 plus taxes. Okay. So friends, this is the registration page. what I will do is after my session, I will put the link of the website and I will put the link where you can register, where you can pay the fee and you can appear for the Olympiad. So my session is this much. You can, you can register your name, your father's name and other details over here. And you can pay here online. You can see this tab. You can pay here online and it will take you to the payment section and you will pay rupees 450 plus taxes and you will be done. So friends, I hope I have made myself clear. I have got some questions in the chat box. One is, one student has asked that from where we can download the syllabus. So friends, we can download the syllabus from here. I showed you the point. You can download your syllabus from here. And this is the link of the website. I'll give you this link. And as I given you, this is the schedule of the examination. These examinations will be held in September. Around 415 or 400 something seats are already filled. We just have left with 70 to 80 seats. So I would request you all to please register online today only. And you will be getting a certificate. You will be getting the prize money. Prize money is this much. You will be getting the certificate, the prize money. And what else you want? So this is done. So students from mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics, communication, information technology, computer science teams can also participate. And I have got some questions that whether chemical engineering students can participate. So friends, chemical engineering students cannot participate. We are in the process of developing the examination for chemical engineering students as well. So once it will be done, hopefully in the next phase, we will include the chemical engineering Olympiad also. And by then, you all will be able to appear for that examination. But till then, we have the test available for these streams. So thank you so much for your patience, friends. And thank you so much for listening to me so carefully. Now, I would request Mr. Deepak Chabra, who will take you through the entire process. Let's say once you have paid, you will be given the username and password. And with that username and password, you will be able to log in and you will take the examination. So Harish, please share your screen and please take all the candidates through the entire process. So friends, Harish, I would request that you please go to login again. Please log out and go to login again because many of us couldn't see that. Yes. So friends, this is our website. And from here, you can go to login. Yes. Yes. Now you are in login. You will get this registration ID, user ID, and the password on your email. Don't share this username and password with anybody. Please log in here, Harish. Yes. Do never. So here, this entire instructions are given. We have already gone through these instructions, but I would request you that please read all the instructions carefully. Please read all the instructions carefully. Yes. And once you read all the instructions, just do skip. And you can see that the remaining timing is given over there. Yes, just click skip. Yes. And now you can see that you have 1 hour 52 minutes left. So as I told you that this is a 2 hours examination, you have 1 hour 51 minutes or 52 minutes. Yeah. So this is the first question and you can see over here, question number is given. So for this demo, we just have selected 25 questions. So Harish, you can click on the answers of all the questions, and I would request you that you can go next and do previous and review and submit like that. So do all the permutation combinations so that our students will be able to know how they will be able to take the examination. Yes. Then go to 2. You can select any of the option, no problem. Just do. So with the help of this previous and next button, previous and next tab, you can go to any of the questions. Say previous, next. If you want to go to back the previous question, you can tab on, you can click on previous. If you want to go to next question, you will click on next. And as I told you, this is an open book examination, an online examination. You can do this examination, take this examination from your laptop, mobiles, computers, iPads. There is no negative marking. Each question carry equal marks. Yeah.
Hello friends, this is Deepak Chabra.
Yeah, Deepak, carry on.
Thank you. Once you click all the options which are given here, and if you miss any question, so it's better, or there's an option you have to go previous and check all your questions. Like if you now I'm on the 18th question right now. So if you want to like to see that if there's any mistake in the previous question, you may click the previous button and you may please correct all your questions if you think that if any of the answers given by you is not correct. So after submitting, after attempting all these questions, 25 questions or 100 questions, you are able to see review and submit button. I'm gonna now complete all the 25 questions. So if you can see, now I'm on the last question. If I click review and submit, now you can see ki these are the options which I have select in each and every question. In question number 1, I select option 3. In question number 2, option 2, option 2, option 3, like this. So you can also see ki how many questions you have attempted in all this. If you think that all these questions are correct and whatever the option you have selected all are right, so you have to click on the final submit. Maybe before that, if you like to review all the questions which you have attempted, you may please go to the back and And you can also click on that question, whatever you have attempted. So you may please click on the number, question number 1, question number 2, question like this. There are 100 questions are available under, from 1 to 100 are question number, serial numbers are available over there. So you can click any of the question number, serial number. You can able to review your answer through these tabs. Like if you like to change, okay, impulse is wrong. If you like to select someone else, so you can click next, or you can review. The best part is this, that if you like to review all these questions here, what you have attempted, find the value of H, and if you think that option 2 is not correct, you may please click and you may please see that the, okay, this is the correct answer. You may please select the another, and you may please next. If you like to review all the questions which you are attempted. After attempting all these questions, you will have to click the final submit. Once I click on the final submit, you can see you want to submit your quiz. If you cancel, so you can again review your all the questions. If you submit okay, then you are able to submit your all the questions which you are attempted. So if I click OK here, so you will receive this message, test has been submitted successfully.
Thank you, Deepak sir. Thank you. Nice demo.
Thank you so much, friends. While Mr. Deepak was giving the demo, I was looking at your questions. So, friends, I'll answer all your questions right now. So, friends, please give me the presenter right, Mr. Amit. Yes, thank you so much. So, friends, I will take you. I mean, I've gone through all your questions, and I think I should take you to the website again so that I'll be able to give you the answers. So, yes, friends, your first question is that what all branches are eligible. So, friends, mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics and communication, information technology, and computer science branches are eligible for this Olympiad. So, in this phase, we are organizing the Olympiad for these branches only, and in the next phase we will be organizing the Olympiad for chemical branch as well, because we are receiving many queries from chemical branch as well. And this Olympiad has been crafted by the stalwarts from industry and education sector to prepare our professionals, faculties and students for their future endeavors. And professionals, faculties, students from 5th to 8th semester, they can take the examination. So professionals can also take the examination, those who have passed out. Faculties can also take the examination. And benefits are already given. You will be able to win exciting prizes. All participants, all successful candidates will be given the participation certificate from ASSOCHAM. And all winners will get this exciting prize money. First, second, third, and 25 candidates will be given ₹1,000 each. And the certificate as well. And this will be given in the annual event of ASSOCHAM Education National Council, as I showed you the pictures above. We have very limited seats. The examination will be conducted on Sundays. So 6th September mechanical, 13th September electrical, 20th September civil, then 27th September, electronics and communication, and on the next Sunday, we will have the examination for computer science and technology, information technology. You can download the syllabus from here. I have given the link on the chat box itself. So from the chat box, you can download the link, and what we will do is we will send you the link again on your emails as well. So don't worry, you will be able to download the syllabus from here. Just say, if I click on here, so you can see the syllabus for civil engineering branch. Yes, this is the syllabus for civil engineering branch. All the topics are given in details, and this is the weightage. You can see the subject wise weightage, at how much weightage is given to which subject. This is wonderful. Yeah, and these are general guidelines. So if you go to the website and if you read those instructions, you will be able to see that we have 100 questions, no negative marking, open book examination, online examination. You will be able to take examination from laptop, computers, mobiles, iPad, or anywhere. And this is 120 minutes examination. You will be given 120 minutes, 10 minutes for reading the instructions, and 110 minutes for taking the test. So if you know you have given 10 minutes for reading the instructions, so if you complete your reading the instructions in 2 minutes, so you can skip, and you will save your 8 minutes, and you will be given now 180 minutes for taking the test. So this is up to you, and there is no negative. Each question will carry equal marks. And as Deepak showed you that you can go to previous, you can go to next, or you can go to any of the question. While taking the test, you can do review and submit. Once again, you will be able to see all the questions, that whether you have missed any question or not. If you want to go to question number 3 or 4 or 5 or 20 or 21 or like that, you can go to any of the question. And finally, you can do final submit, and you will be able to submit the test. And you ensure that the internet connection over there and the power supply over there at your home is okay, so that this examination should not be disconnected. And the pass criteria I have already shared, that minimum passing marks is 50. If you achieve 50 to 69 is good performance. If you achieve 70 to 89, excellent performance. If you achieve more than 90, it is exemplary performance. So friends, this is the wonderful time to be awarded by a national apex chamber like ASSOCHAM. This is the oldest apex chamber of India. The fees is just 450 plus tax. And this is the registration form. You can just put your name there, gender, then your father's name, then your complete residential address, qualification, branch. So say for example, you are a professional or you are a faculty, you can just mention pass out, because you are pass out. You are a professional or a faculty, you can just mention pass out. And you can mention the branch over here: mechanical, electrical, civil, electronic, computer science, and IT. And name of institution in full, name of university in full. So if the name of institution and university is same, you can mention the same name in the both side. Say for example, the name of my college is ABC College of Engineering, and my university is same. So I can mention same name in both the column, both the options. Then complete address of your institution or university, up to you. City, country, state, email ID, phone number, PIN code, study code, security code. And then you can do pay online. You can mention pay online. You just have to mention this security code, and you can then pay online. Once you pay, you will receive username and password on your email ID, and with that username and password, you can go over here. You can click on login, and then you can put your username and password over here, and then you will be in. So on the scheduled time and date, your examination will be started. So I think I have made all my points clear. So friends, even though if any of you want any further questions, any further query, you can send the information. Amit, will you please put the welcome slide again? Deepak, please mention your and Harish's email ID in the chat box so that they can send you the questions. Amit, please open the welcome slide. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. Next, please. Yeah, next, please. Yeah. So on this flyer, you have the email ID and phone number of Mr. Deepak Chhabra and Mr. Harish Pushpakar. So Mr. Deepak Chhabra and Mr. Harish Pushpakar are senior member at SOCHM, and they are handling this entire engineering Olympiad. And you can note down the email ID and phone number of Mr. Deepak and Mr. Harish. And if you want any kind of information regarding the SOCHM National Engineering Olympiad, you can ask any kind of question you want related to the Olympiad. You are free to ask. Please WhatsApp them, or you can send the emails as well to them. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, Amit. So yes. So I mean, I just have received one more question. That when will the result of Olympiad be declared? So result of the Olympiad will be declared in the next 7 working days. So say for example, you have taken the examination and just a minute, friends. Yeah. So as soon as you take the Olympiad, as soon as you take the exam, in next 7 working days, we will declare the result. So in next 7 working days, we will declare the result to you, and we will send the participation certificate on your emails, and hard copy will be couriered to you all. Yeah. Thank you so much. So I can't see any more new questions right now. Just a minute, let me check. Yeah, I have not received now any more questions. So thank you so much for joining us on this very auspicious day. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now we officially close the webinar. Amit, please close.